Hello, my dear students. Today, through my videos, I am going to explain the difference in between emigration and immigration, and what does migration means. So generally, immigrate means to leave one location, such as one's native country or region, to live in another. Immigrate means IMMIGRATE. Immigrate means to move into a non-native country or region to live. Associate the one of immigrate with in to remember that the word means moving into a new country. And what is the meaning of emigrate? EMIGRATE. Emigrate. Emigrate is not an alternative spelling of immigrate. Emigrate means to leave a place such as a country of origin to settle in another location. Here are some examples. To best understand them, remember that Arnold Schwarzenegger was born in Austria. And what is the meaning of immigrate? To immigrate is to settle in a country where you were not born. Here is an example of the verb immigrate using actress Natalie Portman, who was born in Israel. How to remember the difference between immigrate and emigrate? Immigrate begins with the letter I. If you associate I with in, you can easily remember that immigrate means to move into a different country. Emigrates begins with an E. So if you associate it with exit, you will remember that it means to leave your home country. So what is the example for the Canadians who marry someone from abroad should not have to wait for years to have them immigrate or be left with uncertainty in terms of their abilities to stay. So this is the meaning. Thank you.